What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, there's so much things to share with them. I don't know if it start and if everything I go pack in that's a video, yeah. But we go try what we can do anyway, broke it pop off. Yes, so I say we have K, my people. I talk about our ex and the new woman. Them just show say them a full jar, them want another company and just a do the do. And them look unbothered. But as me saying in the video before, this one it can look a certain type of way when it's the other way around. You know what I mean? Everything is not as it seems in a life. You know what I mean? So make we watch and see what go on with the relationship there, because them look happy and everything. And I feel like some people I push the man more and more in a Shana chin, because when she do all of the vindictive thing them and try to spite the man certain way, the man draw closer to the person who for shoulder him can lean upon, and the person who can be him comfort and them way. So me feel like say I make them bond stronger by doing all these things, cause remember in a case she a go deal with the divorce and him happy that the man happy go America for access the divorce paper. She now go give me, she a go lock it so that him and she alone can access it or whatever, but him have to go America for do it. So if him never forget a visa for fly, him never fi get it sorted out. You know what I mean? Although maybe him can get a lawyer and the lawyer do it for him. So we also have we have King Donia say like KK, what's your name? K Kush seen that Jamaica, and like she a tell him to come for her or come link her or something, and the dog a say him tell her say yo him can't manage the bag and mix up and all them something there, so I know him not go link her. But one thing I have to tell King Donia say, dog, follow your heart. You see me I say? Follow your heart. She make a one mistake, you can't crucify her for the one mistake what she make. You see me I say, somebody where you love and you enjoy being around, and it's a girl who been in the street certain way, so you know say she have couple man where she and them link with same way, but eventually my people them link they are go just fade away. You know what I mean? Or if you link them not fade away, well him can left, but not because of one little thing you go, although a public something still, but still, you know what I mean? Make me know one thing people. And we have bunch of more things that I can't remember right now. So here we go on. We're gonna get in at my people. So as I say, one you know here in the intro, we're not gonna see in the video.
After them time I wear 4XL. Sometime I had 5. No, I'm going down to a 3XL. By now in September, October, I want to reach a 2XL. I don't want to wear 1XL, I want to reach about a 2. I work down to go to a 2 and keep it right at a 2. Oh, show comes video work. No. What's someone no? More never been a close argument. I'm in a whole close argument with someone over here. So girl, if you don't like me, it's fine. Get out my business. I don't need to do the most. Going out. I don't need to. I don't need to do the most. You know, I go on when I go to put a little jeans skirt, I'm going to top, I'm going to sneakers, and I go flat, and put them, I don't need to do the most. Yeah. Nobody have one bandage just over the one black one. I mean, I said, boy, if me I wear that, if I wear that with a little girl, I don't know. If me I wear that, if I wear that with a little girl, because sometimes when I wear the clothes and my belly out tonight too much, me not go wear it. Me don't know what clothes argument, girl. Me don't know clothes argument with a girl. Me don't know hairstyle argument with a girl. I don't know boot argument with a girl because me I take up $2,000 buy one suit of clothes, you know? No? I'm not do it. Because I'm going to buy it today, wear it tonight, and take it off, it can't wear going nowhere else. When me all wear that go again? Eh? When I buy the clothes one 2 or one $3,000 I put it on tonight, we got one party, and the whole world see me night. When me all wear it go again? Me can't wear it go nowhere again. 2 years, 3 years from now, I can't wear it gone away. I can't wear it gone away else. I can't wear the bottom in a yard. Like I go on the road, I throw on the bottom. I wear the top separate one different time, go on the road. I can't wear it gonna event again. So young miss, go cheap and clean. I life will last better. Somehow we human being, when push come to shove, we are broke. Because we live every day to impress people. Every day you get to be lived to impress people. You want like dear as you walk. Yo, every day I want to live to impress people. I don't live to impress people, girl. Me wear what I feel like for we're going to where I want to go. Sometimes I don't want to be the center of attention, but hey, it's Rosalie, she's going to automatically be the center of attention. Once we know so I have the 2 pieces SYM, I'm cleaning at them. I'ma smell good if somebody come hug me up. I got more, I know. Someone go to a road and in this and in that, I know. Easy for frownzy. Someone slim and neat and in this and the bag of I know. Easy. I mean, easy for frownzy. You know if you walk with perfume. Look, girl, I true TikTok now allow me to send voice mode. Come to go rub you the right way. I say if I'm when me say it upon me, I'm gonna really do woman cause you broke. But I got a little girl, someone look a bit neat and petite, I don't know, easy for frownzy. And the easiest thing for frownzy are the slim girl. Yeah, think. The more I put man water. I'm easy for green, more easy for stink, head full of dandruff. When I look past some slim girl, them hear enough, and when I go so, them have a head of hair and it frownzy, a pure dandruff. And pure dandruff. Too easy for frownzy. No matter the look size or figure, show them easy for frownzy bad. Them then one part of them turn 2 times and sweat. And you go say them start to ripe. Them go to green, you know, and when them start to them ripe on you. You experience like a frownzy, man? Frownzy. You have to walk with perfume. So big up to the girl who got part of the walk with no cologne in them handbag. Not no mouth spray, not no chewing gum. You want to ease for frownzy. As on a sweat in the green. I mean, I agree, look a girl. Look girl, me in a close argument. I wear I feel like for wear. You know in a close argument? Anything I want to go in, I want to wear it. When I live for peace, people, more when push come to shove, and back to school, come up, I cry in a bookstore. When the girl say, cash or card, me can't say cash miss or is the card, yeah, at the bookstore. I live for impress people. They mean could I buy a patrol in a pot and I don't want 2 pot? Right now, me have some brand new pot under here, so in a box. Me not fussy. Me not live to impress people. Brand new pot. See me? Mama tell them up. See me? Brand new pot.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, because one thing me learn in life, you know, you see the people who have them, who are wealthy, have them money, and rich certain way, most of them don't worry about clothes and how them look and something, then just wear what them have. You see me, you have some people who are career people who have them dirty money, and you want to see, oh, when them a go out, them go, when them a go work, them go work. Some of them are one, the same clothes, like the same suit them wear every day. You know what I mean? Yeah. Or maybe not really the same suit, but the same color every day. So them not really in a fashion and them something. They don't know business, or them carry them business boat and them house and them bank account certain way. You see me? So poor people ever spend much money on clothes and shoes and something, and the right priorities them we not spend the money upon. Let me know what you think.
Brand new pot. And of them still I use. I live ordinary like an ordinary street joint. I'm not frightened. I'm not frightened for big house on the hill. Me have one shoes alone on my bill. Enough of them use them soul for game the world. Me not switch for the table turn. I'm not frightened. Me not frightened. Me not frightened. Me not frightened of the bag of excitement and the bag of yeah. I will still live. Me live here so right now. Me live here so right now. I'm still would drive go down and see for me live for years, go mingle with people down there. Of course, why not? Let me ask Smaddy. I'm go down, I'm not show off for nobody. And somebody said, baby, don't say E. Yeah, I'm going to make it. Me get a one. I'm going to make it a 1 of 10. Me get a 1 of 5. Me get a 1 of 2. Me get a 1 of 3. Me get a 1 of 1. Me get a 1 of something. Everybody put something there. Every single time I go down there. Every single time I go down there. Every single time I go down there. Me give it. Every single time. I'm in one of 5 minutes. Every single time me go down, me give it. Every single time I go around, me give it people. But I appreciate people. I appreciate piece of clothes. Girl. Hello, people are rubbish. Cherry rock, hear it? I don't know what they like it to I must fix, but anyway, I might buy. I soon change them. Buy some different ones. I got some sexy. But so the AC are blood more cooler. But if you appreciate people, they're sorry for me. You come all argument with me now. I show me clothes. Don't show me nothing, girl. Show me blood clot, nothing. I appreciate people. Yeah. Nothing for myself alone.
When you get the summons.
When you call my man, me a forward man, you know.
Alright. Mountain, listen to me. There's a video. It is said that you put up a video of Yankee on your page, so it has gone viral to where it caught my attention.
Allegedly Yankee.
Allegedly Yankee, yes, the Queen. Now, when the Queen take up something now, this means it's serious.
Yes, ma'am.
I came to spread awareness on the females who are with these men who are gays, who say they're gays.
Yeah, they're deal. These men is deal, and they're throwing off the women pH balances and causing these women to have infection in their vagina. But there's some females out there defending it, so I don't know why.
Alright, now Mountain, you tell the people who you are, and you have a website, and let the people know a little bit who you are so I could start to ask you what I want.
Oh, hi guys, I'm Mountain. You know, I have a website where I post news and viral topics, just such as like people get exposed and stuff like that. What else you want to say?
Alright, that's it. I just wanted to say that. So you post a video on your page. I didn't see it, but we heard that it was Mountain who posted that video, and allegedly 2 men is in the video with 1 girl, and the man who is receiving, persons are saying it is Yankee, and I myself watched the video and the person favor Yankee for truth. No, Mountain, I came to spread awareness because I wouldn't want to get nothing in my vajayjay when I'm from a man who is with other man. No, I just spoke to the individual, Yankee.
Yes.
But something happened and I have to disconnect the live. I don't know what happened. But anyway, what I get, Yankee said it was not him in the video. Yankee said that video is AI. Okay. Yankee said he don't know why people doing this to him, and he said his life is in danger.
But Yankee came on his own page and said, people, the video is my face, but they edit my face on that person's body. That's what he said.
That's what he said?
Yes, 100%.
So Mountain, because this led me to ask you, did you edit that video and put Yankee face in that video?
No, you're crazy. You know who sent me the video? It's Jayden sent me the video, people.
Which Jayden? Can you please be more specific?
One and only viral boss, Jayden. But they on the live when him send me. Everybody on the live when him send me it.
Okay.
And Miss Blinga, let me tell you something, Zane. There's no AI in this world can do that, right? Like that.
I'm worried about that too, because I'm going to...
And there's... Let me explain something about computer, GPUs.
1 second, Mountain.
No, let me explain something. People,
come on, Jayden, for me, please.
People, you must say it's editing, right? Someone edited. That's going to take a lot of GPU powers. And I don't know anyone now who will spend thousands of US dollars to get a great editor to edit something like that with Yankee, make it look exactly like him. Like that is some Hollywood.
Yes,
that is some Hollywood type of fucking editing. That is some Hollywood type of editing.
I'm having a problem with that right there too, Mountain.
That is some Hollywood. That is some Hollywood type of editing. Some building a blow up and look like real editing. Like, and I don't know no one who can do that right now.
Give me 1 second, guys. Summon Jayden for me, please. Let him know that the Supreme Court would like him.
But Yankee can't contradict himself over and over. The first video where Annie leak with Yankee, when him played him back though, him come out and say that's AI too, but him was also the same one say yes it's him, but at least it's not the man that do it to him. Him do it himself. So him keep on do things. I understand the man.
Do you have that video, Mountain? You have that video where he said that?
There's screen records. Yeah, there's screen records.
Guys, get me that screen recording, please. This is a huge
case. This is the thing. Him who understand so them do these type of stuff. So my Yankee just live a truth, bro, and done. Man understand. Alright, he don't look away now for see Jayden or whatever come and say, oh man, a Batman, and then a video leak with him, then the whole world and go crazy. But we understand Yankee like them like do them things there. You see me? I say I feel them leave it to that.
Guys, summon Jayden for me, please. Now, Mountain, Yankee is saying that his life is in danger, and he's been in Jamaica for a very long time, over 9 years. He just showed his girlfriend on the live that the girl says she know him. The girl says she know him long time, and that is not him. So we want to ask you. You just said what I wanted to ask you, what you think. I was gonna ask you, that's my next question. So what you think about the whole video, if it's him, yada yada yada. Yeah. Is the video still on your page?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, everybody on this live, go over to Mountain. Mountain, tell the people where to go to look at the video. I want to come back right after.
Let's go on Google and type in Mountain and see it.
Go on Google, type in Mountain, just like this. You guys can follow him because he put up a lot of video like this. Go over there and watch that video and come back right here on this live. And I need everybody to follow this page. This is my backup page. Also follow Moon Tenn because we will see posts because people are gonna send more video to him and I need you to bring it come right yourself. What I'm saying, we need the TikTonians to look at the video themselves and come and tell us if you think it's AI, because if it's AI, then bad no Ross.
Alright, my people, the only explanation for the video is that someone will favor Yankee for them video. That are the only explanation. And as I outlined in the previous video when I dropped before this one, I no feel say a Yankee. So many different things will show say I'm a Yankee. First of all, the earline, then the lips them, and then the tattoo. You see me I say? So them there are some of the things them way me say I'm a Yankee. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think of people. Look what some more.
I think an AI still.
Mountain, I appreciate you coming here. Thank you very much. But Mountain, right now the man say is not him and him life in a danger and him right now if you spend up how much money. I don't even know. Where is Jayden? Jayden, are you here? I need you to send your request. Jayden, Mountain said you send him the video and we the people of the TikTonians would like to know where you get the video to send Mountain, who send it to you. Where are you, Jayden? If somebody say he's here. Not him. So Mountain, you're not gonna take down the video.
No, if you're a Yankee or get a lawyer, tell him get a lawyer and that's it, bro. Listen, you guys are so stupid. My post Liam Bailey and Liam Bailey get exposed, bro. And Liam Bailey a big fucking multi-millionaire. And I think I so stupid.
Exactly.
When I stop with dunce to certain things, bro. There's porn up there, bro. People can take Yankee video right now and post and porn up. Nothing is gonna come out of it. Yankee video is on Twitter. Elon Musk own Twitter, dunce people. Nothing's gonna come out of it, dumb fucks. I'm explaining stuff to you guys. You can get a lawyer, you can file a cease and desist for us to take it down, and we're gonna remove it and that's it. But by the time the damage done happen already, so what's enough to say?
Guys, don't have to understand a film something that him website.
Wanna learn the law, bro. Wanna learn the law. Elon Musk own Twitter. Everybody paid over Twitter. Them a sue Elon Musk. Them can go take it down, bro. Them cannot do it, bro. That's not how it works, bro. True. That's not how it works. You guys learn the law and stop being dumb and stop being naive, bro.
Alright. Guys, gonna go over Moon Tenn. Type in Moon Tenn just like this and go watch the video. I want everybody to watch that video. So what I'm typing, Yankee? How it go? Them Google Moon Tenn and then...
I understand Jamaica people's kind of slow.
Yes, so tell them. They type in Moon Tenn on Google, then click on it and then type in Yankee.
Read. Them need to learn for read. Jamaica people need to learn for read. Them just go on Google, search for Moon Tenn, find it and read. I'm not explain no more to them. Just read and you'll see if you watch the video. No, not
alright, guys.
That's crazy. But yeah, Miss Bling, I'm always tell them, always enlign them. If Moon Tenn posts something that you guys don't like, he don't reach out to us via email and say, yo, you can remove this, and if we decide to do it, we'll do it. So don't have to get a lawyer.
Because of him,
now can go the lawyer out, right? And the lawyer reach out to my lawyer and stuff like that, and then we'll just talk about it. Which more likely it's gonna be a cease and desist. The lawyer gonna find a cease and desist and we'll have like 7 to 10 days to remove it. If we don't remove it, then we can take it up in the court. And we'll just fight in the court. Judge Aguli asked me, where you get the video from? Oh, off of the internet. And that's it. We're on the internet. I'm show them everywhere.
If somebody's showing you, what I need is for everybody to go on Moon Tenn.
Yo, you know them people are weird. Watch out, I'm gonna explain something to them people are really quick, Miss Blinga. Zane? I don't understand. Moon Tenn face a show, right? Everybody know Moon Tenn. And I just think when I say it and I see how I say a fox me at all. Moon Tenn face a show, everybody know Moon Tenn. Moon Tenn and Rose them you kick off, Rose them everything but much will be the case. Right? The media have me as this bad person. Think about it. The media have me as this bad person. I realize that if I was this bad person in a real life, like in a real life where everybody hate me in a real life, in my community, whatever. Don't you guys think when I'm probably be killing and you say, yo, my family them dead? Bro, you guys just don't understand, like, I'm not like this in real life, bro. You guys, it's just money. That's
man, the man go take up and go reach him. My father, I'm not sorry for you. Me not sorry for you. You come like I tell you want to tell you say, for the moment you go take up Annie, I tell you want to tell people say you're about it, man. You don't know Annie. Annie expose himself Yankee. Let me tell you something with Annie, how Annie love clothes. Annie expose himself. So Annie expose himself. They think you know expose you, you're lucky. If I 10 Chad, no, this is the fun part. No, Chad, listen. If I 10 video Annie have I that they remember expose. Yo, this is bad. If I 10 video Annie I'm gonna come out one by one. I'll get more this new video drop. Business. You don't know what you're going to do. You're going to be Annie hopes up in there. I don't do that. You know what time man propose to Annie and I'm married. You're going to propose to Annie. I'll trigger Annie. You know what Annie want. Even in case you know what Annie want married. And you're going to propose to Annie. Me say, all the next 5 years, if I 10 video Annie I'll listen to me. If I say my people, they can't hear him. They say, if I 10, listen up. I was somebody saying Annie exposed, but they say Annie exposed the first one. Me know the first one Annie exposed. A J give, who name J? Which J give Mountain? Which J? I who name J? Who? Which J that? Who name J? Jayden? So me ask you one question. Who give Jayden? Who give Jayden? Who give Jayden it?
Alright, my people, leave your comment in the comment section. You see me, cause boy, me I tell my people, Yankee I feel it. Me not lie. And them something here, we make a person hurt themselves or we make people hurt them. You see me, cause Jamaica, this at the end of the day, we not reach the level yet where everybody kinda dash through the homophobic thing aside. Jamaica is a homophobic society, but some people, you know what I mean, them not depend that is it. So him will survive out there, but him have to watch himself same way. And as me say, my people, these people in Jamaica, them will accept you as a swim around, you know. But you see, if them accept you as a narrow person and them find out say you do swim around activities, I just say foolish there. I don't know how that they how it goes so, but that's how it go. So I know want to think my people and make watch some more.
You're the part now. You're the people that really delusional. You're Ogie Jayden now. You're the sweet part now. You're the part that joker now. You're the joker now. When the first you're the joker now, I ask one question, you're the joker now. You're the joker. You're the joker now, Chad. You're the joker. You're the joker. And you know, look how my people are wicked. Look how my people are wicked now in the human race. Me say Annie expose whatever, and then say no one at Jayden give mountain. Hear the joke now. Who give Jayden it? You watch your now chat. Hey, the person who concerned that Annie expose it, do me a beg you. No, if Annie give Jayden, I will expose it. You know that someone don't get locked up. No, someone don't get locked up, you know, for chat foolishness. The video is not him. Well, me not too know, because me not watch it, me a man. I mean, I watch the video there, so if you see I know him, I know him. But one thing me know, the first video I him, where I want a picture, and I tap part, me go watch it, because I watch that. Natasha big up, a picture, I mean the first time, the first one, so. Well, me understand, say morally wrong, but the morally wrong to go take up Annie, because Annie more out of fridge. It's morally wrong to go take up Annie, and sometimes as man, I make a drink, so I don't nothing too serious dream. Sometimes as man, you know, you have a militant. As a man, you have a militant. Be morally wrong for true, you know. But in reality, morally wrong for know say you battle your love and go and sleep with woman. No, let's start the truth. Some of them man, them know them not like woman, and them go and with woman, go and give the woman them infection. That is morally wrong. When them give the woman them disease. If you love man, stay to man. And let me tell you something, anything dream and lie me I tell. Anything you're not proud I don't do it. You know why I'm a top scammer? I'm gonna be one top scammer, you know. For real. Granville no come from. Me a bad boy up on the drum. That's why I'm not talk madness. Because we have man we grow rough. Me never like that. And my granny raised me. My mother give me to a woman 3 months old and she raised me. And I realize that I can reach and make beer money. I don't feel like giving start. I'm not frightened. I could have me show, but I probably not be there, but I lose my life. And I say, no, sir, it does not feel right. So what is something that don't feel right with me? In my spirit. And I when they treat them run, every man I buy car, they make crazy money. I take me little time. I'm walk up some sharp hill, teachers college, and I go up on my school, and I take my time, and I out of school sometimes I think about it like a devil come and take me, say, boy, I know man, go make some money. I say, no devil, leave me alone. You understand? As man, on a firm. You understand? You think they never come on the internet, come do some things, and I see some boy I do. Now a series you want to do. But at the wrong woman they choose to go do series with. Because the moment they go do series with Annie, your business gone out of the way because they say Annie kind of have some little trauma. You see, the trauma them when most of them people I want to see on the internet with. If you know not here and vent. No, most people that come and vent on here, they're looking validation. Because they think that people are looking at them. You know how me know lie me I tell? You know how me know me not tell lie? It no matter who call me name for here, so I don't have to answer. Because me growing up knowing, me never yet see somebody who know me personally come talk bad in front of me. It's always people that I have never met in my life. People who don't really know nothing. Because me a youth, every bad things when me do in a life, me talk about it proud. Because it's not who I was, it's who I am. I'm a proud of my past. Me a boy used to give me a little trouble. And when I come from to where I'm at, is my story. And God know me heart. So, healing is when you can know that you're going through a season of your life. And in that season, you trust God. And in the next season, you trust God. Because we go through 3 stages. We go through pruning. What happened in a fall? You see, if the leaf them not shed, you know what happen? It go suffocate the leaf them that's supposed to come. So we have to lose leaf for new leaf come. And that's why the seasonal changes. So when you go through season, 4th season, you make sure you trust God. Because God will take you through things. People think so when them go through sickness and them go through finances problem and they go through you're not cursed. You're blessed to have gone through different seasons of your life. So if you have never been in that darkness and that brokenness, you're not blessed. Where you think that Jesus come and end up God jail? Where you think that Jesus end up come and get crucified on the cross? Hey, no, me have to preach it that. Hey, no, me have to get into the word today, you know. Come here under the liquor. I joke, but no, let me get into the word. Someone need to know life and know code. Believe me. Hey, listen to me. You see? As I tell you, say, we go through 3 stages. We lose things, so new things come. And that's right, if you study the Bible more and more and more, understand the Bible. These great men, David, Job, Moses, everybody, they actually have the same story. And the same story is about they were put in a position where they should have, in the fleshly life, give up on God. But they didn't. And that's why we go through things because it's a test of faith. God wants to test you, God not tempt you. God, and that's why you go through the test to have the testimony. I'm telling you, so we go through 3 stages. Because there is no problem. Your problem can never be more than God. There is no problem that He cannot fix. The same place you cry, He can make you smile. Your tears is a language that He understand. So, we need to know them things there. So when I go through things and I kill up, and I say, yo, listen, God not forget about you, man. It's just a part of your story. But as I said to you, when I go through the 2nd stage, when I pray fast and everything there, right before the breakthrough, I tell you, it was just preparation all along. You see me? He's the anchor. That's everybody listen. He's the anchor. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, whatever you go through, God not deny, not delay you, and develop you. So you need to know that. So you see, now in the society, mothers, parents, teach no boy people them not to want. One of the things you lost, the knowledge that you pass on is to be firm, be a leader. Do not want to be like everybody else. You think you take boy if you come by here so and me talk straight and come by here so and see everybody I do that and never fall to none of the little foolishness them. Me stand firm in my lane. When I talk about anime, it might make it sound like a joke, but it's not a disrespect. It's the fact that, yo, listen, you're an adult, you're a parent, you're a mother, right? Somebody have to hold you accountable, like, come on, go get some help, go heal. At the end of the day, you should have never end up in a situation. You're a big woman with big children. But what happens is that we are just doing this trauma thing, and we use the trauma as entertainment. We use people's mental illness as entertainment. And when somebody like me, myself now, come and actually give some positive awareness, the people can actually realize, listen, this is the same generational curse. And he's not the only person living like that. Many of the big women have kids, 4 or 5 kids, and still a rundown man. Man on the light and salvation. I don't realize the man them that you know.
Alright, so my people, just let me know what you guys think in the comment section and make watch some more.
Truth is the reflection of who you are, and if you don't change something, them say the definition of insanity is to do the same thing over and over and expect different results. When are you going to hold yourself accountable? Right now, Jamaica is struggling with a pandemic, identity crisis. People come on the media, the same cuss the same thing. If you should sit back and step away from TikTok and meditate it, TikTok is going to be the same thing right around. You hear the one day when name this and you cuss the one day, and a new cuss, and you go see one couple come on, one man I go pick the side, one woman up pick the side, and then you got the vloggers them now, where if it comes to bam now and left man and woman business and come and kind of just be in the neutral, the one they pick the side, the one they pick the side, and then it just become the same stupid ass conversation. You guys like it? Entertainment, crazy. You know, Jamaica get really delusional when time here they start call man auntie. When Mr. Jamaica start call man auntie, me say whoa, we in trouble. We in trouble, bro. Them thing are deep, isn't it? Once Mr. Jamaican start call man auntie, I say no sir, I time to pack up my bag there. Don't go for my bag. No. Well, I'm back there. Go to one school.
Blinga,
It's a link.
can I say
They
something?
got this video from a link and they put Yankee face on it. He has a video on his page now. Let me see why I forget to the bottom of everything. But Chevy, somebody told Diamond that you say she a try set up Yankee. Is
I
that
never
true?
said that. This is what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Comprehension. I never
clear the ear.
Listen, I'm not doing it. If Daima wants to come to me and ask me what it was that I said, I'm sure there's screen recordings there. I'm not going to be doing the whole drag out thing. I literally said what I said, and this is what I said to you earlier on. People, when it comes to comprehension, people do not know how to comprehend, so they failed comprehension at school. Some of them were not in the back of the class. They never even reached the school gates, and I just say it there, right? That I may never say Daima try set up.
Alright, you didn't say. Alright, left that then. That close. Back to what we're saying. Everybody on the live. My people them on the live. I told it. She never said that. Okay. Well, that not nothing to do with me. So the video, he posts the link in his bio. Right? I haven't seen that link. Did you guys business me?
I didn't hear this one video, but me can't find it.
You're late. One
Me
new
look for
video
Mountain and look for me
put
can't
out.
find it. Oh, you find it, guys?
Maybe Mountain took it down. I don't
Then
know.
take it down, guys.
Did Mountain take down the video? So the people is saying no. I'm gonna do a vote.
Me will confirm to you.
Alright, go on Yankee page now. Him send put out one link where the people them go take off and put him face on the man in the video. Anybody have the video can send to Destiny?
Somebody send it on Instagram to me or my WhatsApp, please. My Instagram is Destiny_Dolly. Destiny_Dolly.
Wanna go and go say Destiny, listen.
So I want me to put up all these video and the things
Him
them.
life is at risk, him say, and his life is in danger. Him say he's not gay. I had a talk with him this morning. Bling, you're talking bullshit.
Let me tell you something. Let me say something, Blinga. I believe, listen, this is my believer. I believe he's not gay, but he did all these things for gift. You see, just like when you see Italian that do them something for gift, guys, is the truth. So when do is, me believe say, because I only for people that do it and we don't know. Him collect these gifts from the bottom and them and send these picture to them. And these video, that's what he do. That's my believer. Destiny now make sense. Me I make blood clot sense. Just like how a man will name out a woman and no want her. What you mean me now make sense? A man will take a woman money and no want her. Just like when me go by Yankee, me I first one go by Yankee live and send Yankee a money gonna Yankee send me sending khaki. So don't tell me that say me now make no sense. One heap of people will do it, so don't tell me that.
Alright, listen, Destiny.
Alright,
we're going to wrap it up.
Me still can't. Alright. Me don't know if... Hello, the person who sent me the video, screen record the video and send come give me still can't find.
Somebody stop to check your WhatsApp. So check your WhatsApp.
Yeah, but...
In the meantime, everybody, this is my backup, please.
Screenshot the video, screen record the video, me can't find the same way.
Everybody, follow this page. This is my backup page. Everyone click on the follow.
Blinga, I went on the link. It's not him.
It's not him.
Because we went on the link, I will look on the video where sing that when my mountain put up. This is the thing with me I have to say.
Me right? Can't find if I him.
No. Destiny, you can't do what you find.
Destiny,
No, listen to me.
Investigation.
Blinga.
Yes.
Me will prove it to them. Me just want the video.
I want you to get the video and then
Destiny,
go look at
Destiny, somebody send me the video. Follow me, I'm going to send it.
Yeah, but listen to me now. Just listen to sir. You don't understand what I'm saying. I can prove if it's him. I just want the picture of the person.
I know I'm saying, if you want all of that, follow me and I will send it to you. But I'm explaining to you.
You can send it to me on TikTok?
I don't, maybe. You're supposed to can send video, but what
kind of video it is?
It's X-rated. That's what I'm trying to explain.
You can't send on TikTok if I don't take video.
Destiny, you hear me?
No,
if you want, me can cups. I have the link pin because Chevy did send me the link. I can just simply send the link in your inbox. I copy the link, go on Google, paste it, and you will see the video.
No,
yeah, but I tell you, say now works up on my end. It come like Switzerland Blackout.
He have a mugshot when he was at a certain age, right? The mugshot show him have tattoo. That certain age is very close to 18. You get what I'm saying? The video where Mountain put up is a person without tattoo. So in my common sense, a Mountain is if you're a person with your research properly, if you look and see that at the age of a certain 18, him have tattoo, and when him younger, him don't have tattoo, you need to put common sense that you live America, you cannot do certain things. You get what I'm trying to say?
Okay.
So
can you check your WhatsApp?
Put certain things together. It's going to look good.
Alright, give me 1 second. Destiny, go and go watch the video and then go to Yankee backup page when they're on.
Me can't go to Yankee backup page. Me a Yankee a friend. Wait.
No, you have a new backup page. So get
me a watch it. But me a go mute. Me a watch it. Wait.
Yeah, but me a tell you what to do after you watch it. Can I post a link? You hear me?
No, this might come down, but Blinga, yeah.
It's not Yankee. I know Yankee. I lie. I know Yankee.
No, this is what me think. Because Yankee never take the trolling. It's not Yankee. It's lie. When people never take the trolling from some people, they make sure them troll him in a way. Because I'm gonna be honest. There are certain people they too quiet. Certain people too quiet.
I have to restart. My life is restored.
Tell me if me a lie. It's when that thing break away from us. Yeah, let me tell you something, Kay. You should feel special. You should feel blessed. You should feel hopeful that God never take your life or cripple you in order to get you to have a relationship with Him. You never know. It's a serious thing when God loves you. We play with the love of God too bad, too much. You never know that? We play with the love of God with ourselves and with loved ones. Be careful how God seek your attention. He wants to have that relationship with you, okay? God wants to make love to you. Exactly, he's a jealous God. You're going to continue being an asshole on the app? Just asking. Because anybody tell you say you're shoot shot, you're fire blank, my baby. And you know me a girl with cheer and real for you. You know me a girl with cheer and real for you, okay? Me not ask you. And when I see my friend them a go like asshole, me have to tell them. And you behave like an asshole. You get 10 points, all of your powers, all when you and him not there. You still a heal the man. When you and him not there, and that no females do. No females do that. Uno put yourself on dinner date thinking say the man a go sue no and jealous. Me have no time for that. A boy left me or me left a boy. And me just say Shibi, mind yourself like how you used to mind the boy, you know. I say you know say a show. Yeah. And we lie to ourselves so badly. Because sometimes when we take care of ourselves like how we used to take care of people, it's surprising to us. It feels foreign, it feels strange, it feels different. Am I lying? Am I lying? We hate ourselves so much and we love people. Pink Patty, we hate ourselves so much and we love people. Discover, thank you, my baby. Yeah. Why is silent for please people though? You see, when I misconstrued everything, sometimes I wonder if I have cute bass education. When I misconstrued everything, silence doesn't mean that you have to put your finger on your lip and laugh away. It doesn't mean that, my baby. My baby, it don't mean that. So when people talk about silence, don't misconstrue and take it out of proportion. No, me know yes, I can see the comment. No, my baby, don't take it out of proportion. Let me tell you what silent is. Since you watch that word, my baby, you're going to learn something today. You're going to learn something today, my baby. You understand? This is silence. It kill people. And let me tell you something, my baby, because Andrea, you have sense. And you know, nobody will left you. Tell me the truth. Them know a little of your attitude. You're silent on that part then. You never know. If a man expect you to run behind him or big your mother call him or a friend call him, none of that now go on. That's silence. You never know. Silence means you have to probe me instead of me probing you. You're not getting the norm where you're used to. You understand now, Andrea, my baby? You understand what I say? Yeah, man. Because a man play upon your emotions. You understand me? So play on his attention. You never know. Males don't express emotions, but they do crave attention, and you miss it. You understand now, Andrea Goods? So I just right there. Yeah. Cause sometimes man don't control who. The girl over there is mad. Hey, Tony, go on our live and say she's on live. She's on live. Here, watch out. Hey, yeah. And you make it feel good. I mean, you know why you made it, but you just use that for hurt you. You might use somebody else hurt she. So how can you not be hurt by him? Let us work out that as females. Take accountability. Give less attention to what I worry you. It's hard to give less attention to what I worry me. How am I to do that? I already know how you're going to do that. Find something different than what everybody expects you to enjoy. You see the thing called phone? Start with that first. Start leaving your phone. If I even in the bathroom and go to get go stand up and look and bus a drive up, bus a drive down. Start by that. Never you a break out a relationship on the earth and have your phone in your hand. Never. 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 You a break out a relationship and the man gone east and you there west and you have your phone in your hand. You say this thing here, enough of weakness, and it might sound simple. Enough of weakness. You say this, start with this. You not even charge my phone. You not even charge my phone. You don't have to delete them number if you're not ready yet, because deleting a number takes time. But you have to tell yourself the truth. You delete the number where you study, so it's not a factor. Because if you don't see them on WhatsApp, you have up on Facebook, IG, or TikTok. No, it's true. Yeah, but you know the number in your head. You could have block and delete, you know the number in your head just in case of. I see what's something I'm telling about. It's not a case someone want on a state of defense. It's a case someone want on a listen. Because not for all the girl waste on the years for a man. Only in the end to realize that it was meaningless. How much he love you. How much he love you. It's a cute boss. No disrespect, but this is the truth. It's a lady that is so easy for cause, disrespect our style in an argument. You know what? You don't have to hear her, but she wear all her regrets on her body. When you look, no disrespect, you know, I don't want to think that me disrespect the lady, you know. It's a cute boss. You can say cocky rejection, man rejection, disappointment, heartbreak. You know, you can see say life angular, drape her up, and she will always go to her grave with a basic understanding of what joy is, which is not joy. No, and no disrespect to her. And not because me and her I go through something now, who not go say me a rub her out. And this is no shade, but we really use her image as an example. It's enough for Una. Mona na empath and so no really know. You ever driving in some community and you see some people that your heart just break. Can you believe so they might live dirty, they might live bad, they might live worse? You know? No, and I wouldn't even say Annie. Because you see Annie can live a better life tomorrow morning because she beg hard and tell lie. It's a cute boss as an image where it's so easy to disrespect the lady without even knowing her background because she alone will regrets. And when you look at a lady like that, if you really talk to her, she does shed tears because she's disappointed with herself. She is disappointed in herself. I am not asking you. A lot of people today are disappointed in themselves. They never drink cappuccino yet. And then also them can go buy it out there so because they have a mental block, it's only for certain people at a certain level which they will never reach. TikTok has widened everybody now and give some people a lead way for you know say it is possible. You never know that It is possible because there is not this desire of greatness that is embedded in them because them derive from poverty, and the only thing them can say is me being better than you in poverty. Think about what so if you really sit down and talk to cute boss, fancy face, she would cry. She would cry. When she talk about people that project insecurities, no, you are packed with insecurities. You look like a woman of age, not of stature, but of age. So you would have more experience than most persons. And the only way I can see you is a lady with regrets. You never generate happiness yet. Even when you're smiling, we can know there's something there behind your smile. You know, you're just smiling for the moment, but you're never happy. You're truly, and that reach came. Manka. I don't remember what to tell you that Ivany. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah. You see, K has never been happy. Never been happy. Never been happy. K married people for security. And when I say security, emotional security. Me nah ask you know. And it's so sad that we as females do the weirdest thing. Worldwide, Mr. Worldwide, we do the weirdest things. I want credit for it. It's true. When are we going to truly enjoy? I keep asking that. When last you waste a little money on you save every dollar with a waste on you. But when it comes to the one who have your heart, you shut your eye and spend carelessly. We do that. We do that. We fashion everybody else and leave out ourselves. We do that. And it's not a lie. Put yourself first. Queen Martin. But from morning. True. Yeah, you know, even though you may shout. I say I smell the garlic. Oh. Yeah, it smells really good. Yeah, put yourself first. It's okay sleeping alone. And that's our problem. When we have the relationship, we want our knees coming out of the bed. You know, it's okay sleeping alone, sleep sideways, sleep long side. Okay, it's okay not to be okay. It's okay. First, and it's okay, let me tell you this. You can't tell me say you not treat yourself good. God, you never know. You can't tell me say you treat yourself good. You don't treat yourself good. You don't even love you. Me, I tell you that. I don't care how badly you want to take it, but you don't love you, my baby. I'm going to beg you turn up your education, turn up your knowledge. See if you did love you. It's easy for you to break anything when I feed you. And when I say I feed you spiritually and emotionally, you break every single thing. But let me tell you something, Kay. You reach a part in your life where you have to deal with the phases them that you're changing. You understand me? Plus, you're seeking love and attention from individuals who really don't know how to give love and attention. You can't afford to teach a boy your steps. He only can come with film steps and see if it corresponds. If it's not parallel, him have to go back. And that much females don't understand. Kay, let me tell you something. 10 points I have nothing over you. But guess what? You give everything for have over you. Every single thing you give. Stop being like an ass on the app. Stop make reference to everything about him and Shana Chin. If you don't realize, you know, it's a dog take away your man, you know. It's a dog gone with your man. And to hold the dog gone with your man and your behavior on the app make the dog look like a queen. You never know that. Sometimes I forgot to Shana Chin used to suck Gully Bapod. Because you, I take that memory there out of my head. I forgot that you were the first lady. I thought you were the concubine, baby girl. Gangsta Granny! Gangsta! Yeah, I thought you were the concubine. For true. You become a laughing stock now, and please, don't let them perpetuate this about you. You need to stop now. Quit while you're ahead. Because you're not winning, you're losing. I'm going to tell you this out of love. I'm going to care who I'm going in your ears and tell you say me I throw shade.
Alright, no people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Alright, let me say this, no people. See, you see when it come to women, man I go out there and want them, you know. But you see the man where them I look for, them now go find a man them. And them won't settle for less than what them want until them say, yo, me get all, you know. Them rush and pick up anybody. You see it. And enough women have too much like standard and them something there. Them want like tick off everything in the book before them there with a man. You see me I say, and the simplest little thing we make them cut left a man zine, and then you see the man where them go settle for at the end of the day. When them would have left a next man for some of the things them would that the man there do. You see me, because them find out say, yo, this is my last option. Me have to hold on this a man here. If this a man here left, me not have no hope left. You see me I say? So normally them say woman them left you mentally first, then them left you physically. But you know, look like say Kay maybe did feel like say she did really get over the man until she see the man get a woman where people that have as the worst and the man wife her up and I do all of the things them would are. You see me?
That you, well, if you consider to be shades, the truth is shade. Well, a shade me a throw. I mean, I have no time to say, Kay, no. If you feel any particular way about this, Kay, I have no apologies to give. None whatsoever. Because it's to get a better you. And you will never get a better you until you accept your flaws. Your self-esteem shattered. It's not even low. Your self-esteem is so shattered. You are a beautiful lady, but you only can see through the eyes of a man. You never know. A lot of us see our beauty through the eyes of someone else, and that's where you at. You see your dignity through the eyes of a man. You see acceptance through the eyes. You want everybody to accept you, Kay. Nobody must and will and should. Find back yourself that you gave away. You give away yourself many years now. How you gonna find back you? Where is that little girl? Where is that little girl? Huh? Where is that little girl who strives to be loved and appreciated? Where is she? You see, I think I forgive her, Grace. She hurting you really, but she ain't hurting. She ain't hurting. The thing about hurt, let me tell you something, you girl. The thing about hurt, when we big crashes females, is that we're not hurting because the man gone. We are hurting because we're not ready yet to face the truth. And the truth is taking accountability. She ain't hurting. She is hurting herself.
Blood clock and come around. 10 tourists now and people, wow. But what kind? Me I gotta work, man. Me have 5 minutes for hour. So me them complain, so come. Me and cut blood mix in a prayer. So you can't tell me nothing about cousin, no look around. I remember saying I not all piece of shit up myself yet, so I know all.
Cause can't have fuck me when time me about 50, 55. Cause if when him at 20 or 21, me never know. And me at 38 years when him a fuck me, you know, can't have fuck me when time me about 50, 60. Me don't care about that. Still I go fuck as long as me whole can't take a wood grind out it blood clot. Don't think me not go break a wood girl can't bring a bill. Come here, baby, right now, I'm gonna let bygones be bygones. Every day praying, I'm just going to say, Mommy, I want to talk to my daddy. So, by the time you see me at Jamaica, me and blood clot because I bought the place a prong. What time? My dear? When I say I'm going to give me a book. You watch me. Are you my combo? I don't cost myself for things. I'm saying, I'm going to cost me. I tell you. Alright, me just like me smoke. No, but me serious though, people. Don't just me like I show me one cool down the steam. Cause me I got people now. Me tell you that now, man. Leave K alone. You look a bit workless. Oh yeah, go on vacation. No somebody can go on vacation a blood clot bar man and show off on people. Feel a fuckery. Pussy got a visa in your book. Got a visa. But at Canada, England, if I even care, man. Get a visa in your book, man. Focus on your dreams, focus on your goal. Can you not enjoy no life? If you know a shit, you don't have a life a show off. What the fuck you showing off with? A bitch that's fucking broke? What the fuck wrong with you? A bitch that everybody fuck out? A bitch who go always, me not talk about her gully bap and this and all that. Me not care about that. Because I'm not saying that when you're young and naive. Boy, you're hype with? I nothing you're hype with. Boy, you're hype with a foolishness. Cause you're hype with a girl with a body too. Anybody can go to design a body. I want to me got blood clot to my body long time with the government tax money when they give me a year time. I'm gonna do that about 5, 6, 7 years ago right now. But that's true, me love money, I mean I want dead. I mean I want to go find a bed and thing down blood clot concept. Come in, shit good already. I'm gonna tell my mother to go fight come out of my belly and then can't hold me and look a bit in my body hold. That's all. I'm hot. Yeah. Enough is enough. You're never smart. You're a fucker. See? You is a fucker. And you fuck down the whole place and I fuck out your life. And your woman tired of it. Your woman gone. I'm a look over. They call mackerel them phone and then look low life thing. They call the people them phone. But never say mackerel low life with it straight. You call them people phone a while and I go on with their antics and then you come now and I come play victim. Every time K blood clot do something. And you make your woman come on TikTok and behave certain way. You! Because you do some things and go on like you do some things. So the woman I go see it is just like me. When I see certain things, I come talk with my petty father. Because every time I see do maybe I come blood clot chat. But every time, one time, I don't trouble K. Every single time K come on TikTok and contact or behave certain way at 10 points and shall not trust word in a style. The woman that feeling and she go talk, who don't move no low life for you. Because we not live no life better than the girl. The girl in a real house, the girl in a fear house. But you should have shame yourself. You know why I'm feeling like 10 points you can't do nothing. Ask a Spanish town I come from, but ask about Kamika Spanish town. Me have my links a Spanish town. Me bad, me want go anywhere in a Spanish town. Tika when they gone, tika I'm done. Smoky, and them are the tika they then done. Ask about me over blood clot capture. Me I tell a friend now, so I feel like see us me come to Jamaica and you can't do me nothing at all. Me a bad girl. I try me ease myself and I still want my baby father. So that's why I'm going to a clown. Back to you too, you know. You know. Every single time, yeah, you come by ya, and you come and you not like media. If you are heat judge, if you not anything what you not do, you always have to depend on the media. Like you want the girl to see. You should have shame yourself. You know why you should have shame yourself? You the only one, the woman for blood clot, vanity and whatever. Do whatever. Remember, she did care of him. You should have go back to Bahamas, neither, because I take care of Bahamas already. You should have find something different. You know, you should have shame yourself. You have a wife, we have a house. You and your husband. And you're in your own house, and now you're the woman if you're in a rent house. Pay a rent house and pay a villa and pay this and pay that. Where you get from that, bro? Where you get from that? You wouldn't even say, you know what? Me I make you look like say she that hold me down and she did kind of stop my career and my music and me push me to go and fuck some girl a blood clot road. Fuck some big hot girl around the witness here with some different blood clot girl. You're not a top man. I tell me I tell you that. You are not a top man. You're not done. And the truth. You are not a top boy. The way how you want to come off with a little ray, you is no top boy. You know Dan boy because if you're the Dan boy. May I tell you this? You not feel like a trip, you have to fuck 10 designer body girl every blood clot week, every party you there them see you. You're hype. That's your liquor, that's your money. Do this, do that, music out. But you there now one.
My people, let me tell you see, you have some people, you know, some man them love relationship. Some woman stay so too. No matter if the man them a cheat a woman on the side, them love relationship. So you go ever find them in a relationship, you know what I mean, as them left out a one. As far as the posting on the internet and something, as me telling you before, the two of them are throw shades at each other. You know what I mean? K I do it and them I do it also. So this, remember, you know, divorce happening, you know, my people, divorce party keep. So this are how the G say him a get back at her. You know what I mean? Go up on vacation, post up, go up on live, make sure she say him a living best life with him new woman.
Like a place like this lovey dovey like you in a one. If you don't feel so, you don't want to be blood clot dove or a drunk. Hey, come guy people me I go wait no. Me soon come back. Probably later me might tell me. The man know me the 5 minutes me can't still but me can't still look a bit more because 5 minutes me from the people in our place, right? Me not but not me look against the still. But I did tune. Me I watch the time. 5 minutes to me leave. Yeah! People! Let me tell you something. Me a hot girl, me can't tell you that. I show me that fire and I pray and Lexi all up my blood clot. And then when me ready for go catch me little kiss now, pray the break cause they can't breathe me hold me down again. So you know how you go. But me a top girl, me know top girl rollings. Me and Kay that come like the same type of girl, you know. Me a tell you something because me run me look at business and do me little thing and me this and me that. Let me tell you something. As a top boy, what him want play, that game there what him want play, him shouldn't even come talk where my second down or they all over with one woman. Because if he even go do that, I mean, me say me can pick out no girl. When me say, as me say, a girl like Nikki Chromas and Cheryl Luxury Doll, girl will have things, girl will have values. You know what I say? Then type of girl in a dance hall or in the street, and then type of girl them have to go blood cut them. Now one little girl want to do promotion and that with myself bleaching cream and sell cream and foreign and ray and business. Everybody knows some of the Shana Chin business or Shana Chin do. Because Shana Chin and a visa saying can't do business of foreign. I know who are fool and who can't fool comic. People are promote where it. Who you want to top a girl head? You want to top K head? Look where you top K head with. I say, sweet me okay, just me have a blood clot done. Well, I know it don't say, man, you know, go see blood clot joking at this thing. I can't tell you something, you know. I like, okay, just change off. Girl look nice, girl look good, girl look totally different. I like that, but I call like him out for a divorce and thing for true. But okay, watch you know. If you not to show your man, girl, you not to show your man. If you show your man, me know say I want top blood clot man, because you call Moby and Salt Spring, and you say boy this and me know say top man. And if it's not a scammer, it have to be a boy while lick shot. You don't know it already. So we know say that I'm glad you're not going out in a Moby in a town and thing. But I was here today to talk about this. Leave blood clot K alone now 10 points. What tell you? 10 points, go sit down and write more songs. Your song them hot and your song them bad. I like them. I just look rare for them too. Cause I like them. Your song them hot and go and go focus on your music. We're tired of your fire. We're tired of the divorce. The divorce is confirmed and the paper is signed. Cause I see you sign paper on computer and then I dash paper and I really see 2 Eckland Jekyll, 2 basket when I go nowhere at all. Look, you're not sorry, me I go tell you again. I'm tired of your fire. I don't want to see you no more fire with Shana Chin. I'm tired of your mattress pan here. Enough is enough. It all go sit down and write music and leave K alone. Cause two put together, nah work. Bird of a feather flock together. Me learn it from it about grade 5 or grade 2. Me don't know somewhere around this. But it two put together, you know, nah do nothing at all. Go and go do some music and stop choke. What I fight woman and then you come go and like say I don't know, I want to know a victim. We don't want to see no one on a bed. We know I don't make a skit and prank. Hey, hold up on them bullshit there. We don't want to see that. Cause if Shana Jimmy talk much man in there with me there, you're the way back in a line round so we don't so to blood clot. Remember you still way round so you're there. So we don't want to see more pussy tight and this and that. Every girl about can do make them pussy tight right now. Cause you simple baby look at cake soap. If you use cake soap baby your pussy tight like a motherfucker. Cause me don't know why not cake soap baby no. You don't want to hear about that. Cause you're still the way around. So find some woman where progressive and sing thing and come back on iPancake. Me I gotta work a 3 minutes left and me can stay more with them. But people, I don't know if I'm gonna come back on this. Cause maybe I sit in my brain and try to see it.
So she buy it and she actually sit down on her live and she eat the seafood boil because 2 girls off her life come and say them want other seafood boil because them see she eat it and she say
that was when Shibi went out?
No.
Okay.
That was when she did down a Kasha. So she said the seafood boil nice, so people come off our live and come buy the seafood boil from me. So what he's saying is not him keep lamenting on the seafood boil as if him a carry me under attack. Like him want to attack my business. But when him do him hide and fling him on, so when you come out and talk, him turn around and play victim. Him have this style where him do before him start to bring you down with jokes. Him say, me like her, you know. Me like her, that is sarcastic.
Him bring you up before him drop you.
Exactly, backhanded comment. But people on TikTok gullible, so them now go ever see that. And I don't interfere with him because I know I feel some kind of way about him and I am not a hypocrite. I don't like when him drag people and bring down people. But what I do, I stay out of his way. All him have to do is stay out of my way. Because I am not speaking of him, I am not troubling him. So all him have to do is stay out of my way. I try not, when me see my bring down people, I try not to get involved. I try not to have nothing to say because I know how I feel about him. I don't sit down and watch it.
Alright, no people, leave your comment in the comment section. I'm not going to talk much, I'm going to run through the rest of this.
Not even screen recording for him I don't watch. Because him don't have anything positive to contribute on this app.
Yeah. One of the things I want to say to you, CQ, was I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm going to just be frank with you about it. We as women, we have to be very, very careful how female representing men weed and sow seeds of disunity and discord amongst us. Because we really don't know Shay's pocket. Even if it's a case where someone is saying that Shay could have supported you more or whatever, the fact that she supported you, she supported you. If you know what I'm saying?
Appreciate her support.
And I know you appreciate it, and she knows too that you appreciate it. And you say once you know that, you don't need to shut down any type of conversations or any type of seed, because sometimes the devil has a way to sow certain seeds in your mind and make you start thinking a certain way. Do you feel what I'm saying? You feel me? Because people, alright, let us take Apple for example. Apple support people on the app. Apple support me on the app, but maybe Apple supports people, someone else to a different degree than she supports me. Should I be looking at her side eye? I didn't give Apple anything to put down. The mere fact that she supports me, it's enough gratitude for me because she didn't have to support me. Do you understand what I'm saying? But a person now on the outside can see that and come and make certain comments and then start sowing a negative seed for me to start looking at her a particular way and I don't give her anything to put down.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Because guess what happened? It's a setup. It is a trap.
Yes.
It is a trap. Him don't like unity. Because me is a person who me and everybody on the app good. I don't have any problem with any. I have maximum respect for Shay.
And especially unity amongst women.
I don't agree with everything Shay do. I don't agree with everything Shay do, and I know Shay don't agree with everything what me do. But to each his own. That does not change the fact that we respect each other. We're not on the same side most of the times. And we still respect each other because we set boundaries. Shay don't interfere with me and my content, and I don't interfere with her and her content. I have nothing against Shay. I respect shade to the max. And even if she have one seafood while she buy, she still supports me. But what happened is, him just feel like say everybody must see you as an enemy. And it cannot be like that. Because him don't like to see people live good, because why would you start that?
You see, when people and people interact, cute boss, you know what it does? It divides power, and it makes those who are filled with ego feel more powerless. You feel what I'm saying? They like when some of them like when they're on the top of the food chain and they're seen as the, you know what I'm saying, like the supreme, and everybody else fall underneath them. And if they shift here, everybody shift here. If they shift right, it's about time for women on this app to stand in the gap for each other, and do not let men or female representing men tutor us to you understand, go in battles against each other.
I want somebody to ever burst on a urban. She alone did get the button and run with it. But me not bursting anybody else. I'm not bursting anybody else. Fanny pack, your titty them are going to stay long in your chest for a very long time. And Shara K will come from Mount View with the list down. Go apply better nail polish. Go and go burst into nails. If you like nails, go burst into that. But not tell no lie. Me a trend right now. When I remember when the people them say controversy sell. Hey. See it, yeah? So when me pick up controversy sell, you know want to beat me. So we can't play the game though. When them say controversy sell and them got and them a do them thing. Controversy sell. But when controversy starts sell for cake we got heal. Me nobody want heal, because heal I go turn me in a heal back. I show my grease up, it nice though, my boss and shimmery. Yeah. I'm glowing like a motherfucking nice bitch. The weight will lift off of me, only if you don't understand. But me know Rachel family understanding, I just the first one them who don't know. The weight will lift off of me. Oh my God. But we should not understand. You know how it feel? If you just cook for yourself. You know how it feel if nobody have now bigger cigarette money and gas money? You know how it feel? If nobody now ask you what them are going to eat? And them on your picnic? I couldn't tell the last time I go to one party and buy one buckle for myself. And people always have send buckle come give me or buy my buckle. You know it feel? If you know so when me I pay my rent and me alone living in my house and I pay it. Feel good no blood clot. So if that I heal, you know me I get, me I go and heal. You feel good. You feel good for sure. Not tell no lie. Yes, when you bring your own weight by yourself, I live by yourself. Sometimes I don't want to live by myself, you know. But then when my member say, Bumbo Clark, you live by yourself, I do it, you know. You know, depend on no man and nothing, you know. First of all, I'm not even have nobody to depend on. A long time, I do it by myself. But here what happen now, you know what piss you off as a woman? When you're in a house with all a man and you're alone, if you have find food, find this, find that, blood clot, cigarette, you have your blood clot, find a weed that you don't smoke. You just get you ignorant. You get ignorant for you, you know? And you have fine. See no plan for fine nothing, no? So, guys, me still a heal. I'm loving it then. If I that I healing, come I feel blood clot go. Me rather do them for myself alone. Me rather know I'm living in my house. I'm not have to contribute to nobody. And I can tell you this much. No boy can't walk through the door they can't contribute again. If you cannot contribute, you cannot come through my door. I can give one sleep or two sleep. But you're not going to come take up residence in a blood clot this and can't parent with me. And me I do it for myself. Time to hard work posting now for fuck. Call me a fuckers. This is the real world.
My people, you know what I learn in life? Mouth make for talk anything. Alright. These women, me I wonder if them not really understand life certain way, cause the older them get, me not feel like say them learn nothing about relationship and learn about themselves. Things different when it come to man and woman when them grow up in a age, you know. Alright, look here my people. You see, it's not really different, all that different still, cause a woman be easier to get a man than a man to get a woman if him not. If a man don't have nothing, money or them something that hard to get a woman up in her old age. But a woman, she will not really have nothing, but she can get a man. You know what I mean? But listen to me I say. Here I say, no man now come through the door we can contribute. Nothing no go some people. As me tell you say, woman I go have up a standard, you know. You see me I say where them say this a standard them I work with. And no other man now get a chance if him not if them are not tick, if him not full of them tick here, them can't get a chance. And then later on in a life, when them see say them can't get a man there, because the man with them want everything to be perfect. You understand? And here where it go, you can't have a perfect relationship. A man I go come with money, him I go have shortcomings. You see me I say, maybe him would go look her, or him I go have a bag of woman. A man with money, them cocky and a tech talk, and them want to run things. Can't go stand for that. So problem I go do the same way. So anyway you take your little problem I go do there. So them I go have them standard till them have to lower it, till them have to lower it, till them have to just drop it and take up any man will come across. Let me know what you think.
No blood clot. Remember me not kind again, you know. Kind no put me in a way. When you're kind to people I use, they use you. My rather a girl beg me and me give her right now more than a blood clot man. To all me strict with not giving man nothing at all. Yeah, me not gonna sell no pussy. But if it a fair exchange, if me I give you my pussy, you give me your money. You can't want to fuck me up on a regular and ask me what I cook today. And when you come in at my house, you cock up all foot. And I turn on Netflix. You pay for Netflix? If you call it still sell, it's a fair sell. I not stand up a back road. I not go to the road go get random man my pussy. Me da give a boy what I like. I tell you this, if I like you, me I go fuck you, but I not go fuck you for free. You can't come in at my house and can't even put 2 juice in my fridge. So if that a self fuck, put it on the list, your blood clot. Not even 2 juice in the fridge. Not even a light bill. And you want to sleep over? No, you can't sleep over. Come here watch it and make you sleep on 1 night and they want 2 nights. But you can't sleep 3 nights. With nothing at all. Go on. No, here what we are going to do. Make a fucking at the car. No, I know my baby I go come fuck out. Yeah.
You know what? I can't go on Friday. So, I can't have them a boy around me, okay? Them a see now, see this. Come, go on. Everybody laughing, brother. Stop me, brother. Lock the door. Make him go on here. Okay? Yeah, you know what I say?
May I hear what I say?
Kids. You can get the divorce back.
No, not the worst part where you're Scotia and Scotia, you got the money now. The $2,000. Which money you draw the money out of there, you forgive me?
Understand that you guys
watch screen.
We thank you very much, KK. We understand that you guys are some hardworking people and you guys are just helping out a situation. Right now, my friend, I can't go work for nobody. I'm being honest because I lay my bed right now. It's not looking good because I disrespect people on the app and I don't know who take it serious from who take it for a joke. You get what I'm saying? So I live my life over here so till things get better. And I know that for sure, if you come to Jamaica one day, I can able to help you back.
See them say something.
Lando, what you want me to say? I mean, that's it.
I'm not telling you no lie. All right, I'm not telling you no lie.
So what is it that you want me to do?
What is it I want you to do? I would love if you send me a lion, but I don't know if you have a money to send me a lion. I'm not going to stress you out. I don't know all your pockets there. I didn't send you to go work because I know if you truly have it, you're going to support me from your heart. I don't know if you change, but you're a girl who always come around here and send me a gift where I can cash out and you make me rank. So I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know. But I'm just saying I'm not seeing you from when and I'm not ranking from when. And I'm wondering what I do with my people them. And I'm trying to let you people know that you're some people who I look up to for support. You get what I'm saying? So if you come to me and say something to me, I have to have an understanding because I know you have your family to take care of. You have yourself to take care of. You have your bills to take care of. But you know I maybe not get it every day. But I know whenever I get things from you guys, I try to put it to use. Maybe buy some black put in my yard to try to help build up my house. Buy some food. I do good stuff with the money when you give it to me. I don't go do foolishness with it. I make use of my money. You get what I'm saying? So from the other day, well, I don't know what to say to you. Or become like me a chat too much. I don't know what to say.
Honestly, Zozo, if I had it, I would do it, but I don't have it. I'm not on the app giving out lions to nobody and doing none of that stuff right now.
Yeah, man. Don't just look at it. Don't look at it like you're not on the app. You're not giving nothing to nobody because you got people are suffering over here. So not because you see a man over here maybe driving a Benz or a BM. You got people over here.
Why is Lando dying of laughter?
I'm telling you to them. Chop code, big up. I'm telling you to them for real, man. You got some people out there. They need help, just like me here. Twinkle, thank you for choo. Yeah, man. You got some people out here, and I don't need to be going to the bagga them to get the money. You guys don't like the violence. Why can't we do this every evening? Why can't we do this every day?
Chill and talk?
Chill and talk, and you guys send me gift. See that I go to the supermarket at evening time. See that I get my little grocery, them my little shoes. If my ear want to do, you help me. And if I see there's a way I can go help myself, like build up a full cup, I'll go help myself and try not to pressure you guys all the time. I have foolishness, me at that.
No, I know foolishness. We wouldn't say a foolishness you attack. It more sound like say you just like, if it's anything you just want to kind of chill sometime and it sound like you want to more normalize friendship, kind of like giving each other money type of thing. Not to say nothing wrong with that.
I feel like if a dog may go through a little situation and he need help. I feel like if somebody have it, then can give that person the help.
Yeah, sometimes really and truly, we there now one time where like some people like do not have it. Like the same way where like you I try like get some black and stuff in your house is the same where like.
And just because I
people
live in Canada or
and they don't want to come and
America.
Then if you come and tell me. Then if you come and tell me, my sister may have company.
But those are all you have to do is really just turn on the news and just see what's going on in Canada and America and all the places I'm right now. Nothing's easy for nobody right now.
My friend, my TV is not working that good for watch Canada.
Or you have your phone, scroll on it.
Oh.
Gas is expensive. Everything's expensive right now. Like nothing's easy. So it's like I can't just be on the app like before, just giving out free money.
Boom off. Yeah. Oh, there's the government. So, there's a Trump take care of people. Like,
take care of people.
Trump.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Cause boy, so a real chopper to blow. You're one man. Tell me what you think, my people.
After Trump there America, Trump not really there Canada. Trump actually I try war Canada.
But me as a people of Canada get money too. Every month people of Canada get money.
If Canada doesn't become a state, then he's not gonna help Canada.
Shot man freeze. Mad. Alright. That's so close to me freeze, you know? Because of that, see? That's Black Empress, man. Everybody go over there and follow our page. Get her to... How much followers have, cuz? No, let's let everybody follow. Let's tell everybody. Everybody follow. Everybody go over my cousin page, go follow her. No. Black Empress. Oh, mute them? Oh, hold on. Auntie, what made me not done? No one can go on a date. Come on, man.
What happened?
You live in blood. The echo.
Yes, she mute.
Is still the echo?
Yes, she
Which one, red or rose?
Yeah.
Which one is the best? Which one? Chardonnay or rose? Chardonnay.
Me and Rose, let me try it.
Rose and Chardonnay pretty similar. Rose gets a plot, so they both dry.
Yeah, I like dry.
Okay. Yeah. So rose.